Hey, what's up, VeChain holders? So, what's the next target of VeChain to they can hit the price, and also, what's my prediction to upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down, and also, what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video is going very special for every holder of VeChain. So, first of all, if you can see here, my friend, the crypto market is also moving up. So, this is good news for everyone. To the crypto market moving up, exactly. If the crypto market is moving up, then absolutely VeChain also moving up, and every crypto moving up, my friend. If you could see here this time, the VeChain is also the price is increased, and also the change occur plus 2.88% moving up. What a brilliant shit, my friend. VeChain is starting moving up finally. Let's get started the brand video. First of all, production, I request you, please, if you are new on our channel, mostly welcome and subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Please keep touch with us. I guide you, I give you a latest news of all cryptocurrencies. So kindly subscribe and also press bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like this video, my friend. You can see here this time. First of all, check the last 1 hour. The last 1 hour as a negative minus 1.5% they falls down. You can see here the price is also decreased, very lowly, but decreased also, my friend. 0.027 US dollar is the latest price. Remember this price, and this time if you can see here they take a jump, my friend, but you can see here this time they take again slowly falls down, my friend. Let's check out the last 7-day result to what's going on in the last 7-day result, and then, my friend, I do a prediction to what's going on upcoming, my friend. If you could check out the last 7 days, they jump like a rocket. They starting only moving up, my friend. The highest target, if you check out here as the highest target, and this the 0.28 US dollar, my friend. But you can see here they fails down again, my friend. So I think in the last 1 hour also the price come to 0.27 US dollar, my friend. This time you can see here plus 66.82% they change occur, and here you can see here the price is also decreased now 0.27 my friends. But if you can see here they already, you can see here they're moving up, only moving up. So let's get started the prediction, my friend. Prediction is very important. Keep watch and understand what I told you in this video, my friend. Okay, my friends. This time if you can see here, my friend, the prediction as something like that. You can see here, first of all, if we draw 2 lines, this time you can see here every cryptocurrency, my friends, moving in a circulation after very bad spell, my friends. They take a jump, exactly. This is the circulation. You can see here this going slowly up, exactly, my friend. And they also moving up like a rocket, exactly. Which time they are not starting falls down, then absolutely they starting moving up like a rocket. And this time also this is not a small change, 183.12% they're moving up. Congratulations every VeChain holder, and upcoming days they're also moving up. Please, this is good news. And the last 1 hour, this is a very small fail. This is not a big small fail. This is not a big fail. Okay, please, upcoming days they're moving up. So please, my opinion is that to hold it, and don't sell it. Please don't sell it. If you hold it, then I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good price in upcoming days, exactly, in upcoming days. So kindly hold it and wait for a good time, where I hope the good time is coming soon. So thanks for watching, VeChain holder. Please like and subscribe and keep touch with us. I hope the good time is coming soon. At the end they make you millionaire. They give you good profit. Allah Hafiz. Take care.